In my shed, I found that I had a bunch of wasps making wasp nests, and I don't want that. So I went to Walmart. I found the least expensive wasp and hornet killer I could find. This came in a 3-pack. It's Eliminator. For the most part, it seems to have worked really well. So here's my experience with it. You do need to shake it up before you use it, and then you just press a button and it sprays out in a steady foam stream. And I got to tell you, spraying wasp nests is kind of scary because I don't actually want to get stung by wasps. The nice thing about this is if your aim is pretty good and you basically get the wasp nest or the hornet's nest, the wasp can't do anything to you, because as long as this touches the wasp, they are not going anywhere. They plop right down on the ground. They can't fly. They can't do anything. They just kind of shrivel up and die, which sounds kind of like I am a horrible person for doing that. But I don't actually feel like a horrible person because I don't like wasps. One thing I would like to point out, for one of the bigger nests, I went ahead and I sprayed it, and I decided I would wait a day or two and go back just because there were still some wasps around there. There's still wasps going in and out. And what happened is, after the foam had dried up, the wasps that were not currently in the nest, they did come back and they were still using the wasp nest. So I actually had to do it twice before I could actually reach, and I had this tool to help me grab the wasp nest. And since then, wasps have not been back. I destroyed their home. I guess they're making a home somewhere else now, and hopefully they think this place is cursed. They're going to tell all their wasp friends that it's cursed and not to go back. But this works really well. It was really inexpensive, super simple to use, and very effective. I did not get stung, so that's the important thing here. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend this. Probably the quickest and easiest way to get rid of and kill wasps.